Alright, I look so tired still, bags under my eyes. But it is early. We are going to be helping with a community work days. So a whole bunch of people from the community are getting together and helping I believe a particular family with some kind of project. We don't know what it is yet. There's going to be 17 of us here from the farm going. So there's going to be a huge group of people. We're going to have breakfast there. We're going to have lunch there, spend the whole day. Yeah, so I'm excited. It's going to be a full day. And we're just going to be getting some tools and piling into a whole bunch of vehicles and heading down the road and yeah, seeing what's in store.
I'm ready.
Oh my God. So it looks like we have a couple of different projects that will help out today on this land. Clearing some space, planting some things, a whole bunch. Yeah, and also some big holes that we'll be filling in, I think. Sweat inducing work, but we finished filling the pond swale thing. So it's all filled in with some different levels. Oh my gosh, we even found a whole bunch of turmeric in the ground. It's so fun. There's so many activities going on, just people making food and building things, making sugarcane juice. Just everybody all together. That's so awesome.
Having some cow soy for lunch. It's quite the production here. They have a lot of food.
It's a lot of people.
This is actually a pretty incredible experience. There's so many people here to help just one couple and their farm and their land, just improving it, building out berms and little huts and planting things. I think we're gonna plant trees. There's sugarcane juice freshly made. They're making all the food. It's kind of incredible what a community can do when it comes together, and all we have is hand tools, and well, with 30 people it makes pretty light work of almost anything. I am trying to learn about bananas through as much broken Thai as possible, but for what I'm getting, we're pulling the small ones around from the big ones and spreading them out, and then if they already have leaves on it, you have to cut off the top and just plant like the little stalks here. Like this. Take all the leaves and put them around as like a composter to protect the soil.
Okay. It's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful now. Like a something like a ritual.
Wow.
Feels good, yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Yeah.
Just
get it all over.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. So we were planting kind of the, I think, more regular bananas earlier. This behind me is a different kind of banana tree. Apparently it tastes like custard apple, but it looks like a small banana, and they planted it from seed, and it's huge. You can see where it's growing. The flower here is just massive in comparison. A completely different variety. Super cool. There's so many different things. Like earlier, the turmeric that I thought, the same thing that's on our faces and skin right now. It's not turmeric. There wasn't really an English word or name for it. It's supposed to be really good for you. I think has a lot of medicinal properties. So yeah, it's so cool. There's so many different varieties of things. So far beyond like our idea of like a certain banana and a certain type of this. It's just crazy. Organizing to take a photo now.
That was a pretty epic day. It was really great to see how much community can come together and just like do a task and just experience the greater community of permaculture here. I didn't know that all these farms existed, and then you just show up and everybody knows each other and everyone helps each other, and that's such a crucial part to having a sustainable community or eco-village or whatever you want to call it. You need people, you need family, you need a community to help you do things, because you can't do everything yourself. So yeah, it was awesome to get to see that. It's awesome to be a part of it. I hope you guys enjoyed today. We really like to hear from you guys and talk with you guys in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.